is what have been helping me, to lose belly fat, to lose belly fat. It's been helping me, and I decided to make a video to also let someone also learn and get help on how to lose belly fat, guys. Hello guys, you're most welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabric channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super welcome. Alright guys, please check below, you see the subscribe button. Click on that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Alright guys, so on today's video I'm going to show you how to lose belly fat, guys. So if you have belly fat, you can wear things that will fuck you, just like what I'm wearing now. You don't have to worry anymore, because after watching this video, your problem is gonna be solved, guys. Without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video. So the first thing I'm gonna be needing is ginger. Ginger increases the speed at which food empties from the stomach into the intestine. Therefore, it helps with indigestion, acid reflux, bloating, and gas. It's also super effective in helping with inflammation, guys. And my next ingredient is lemon. Lemon aids the body in removal and prevention from flushing out the kidneys, to preventing kidney stones and urinary tract infection. Also a good source of vitamin C, which is one of the most important antioxidants in nature. Cinnamon powder is rich in antioxidants, which helps in fighting infection. Another powerful anti-inflammatory high in antioxidants is turmeric. Turmeric supports the immune system in its ability to fight infection, and it has pain relieving properties. So goodbye headaches, bye. So guys, after adding everything together, you're gonna give it a nice shake. Make sure you shake it very well so that all the ingredients can be well mixed together. So after the nice shake, you're gonna allow it to stay overnight, before you start drinking. Here is it. What you're going to be doing basically is that you're going to take this in the morning, first thing in the morning, and last thing at night. What this is going to do is that it's going to glow your skin. Yeah, it's going to glow your skin, and it's also going to help you lose belly fat. I'm sure you know that turmeric helps in glowing the skin, and also all the citrus fruit too, they also help in glowing the skin. One of the citrus fruits I have here is lemon. It helps in glowing the skin as well. Don't you love my skin? Oh, I know you do. I'll show you that in 2 weeks you're gonna get amazing results, guys. So stay beautiful.